Okay, I believe this is part 4. Now, um, where we are now, I've got the residual glue off of the bridge, and I got as much of the glue off of the guitar. I think I've got all the glue off. It's kind of harder to tell because it looks a little messy from where some of the finish should come off. Anyway, here's the guitar. You can see, well, there's a couple shiny spots where there's a little bit of glue, but that could be finish. This is clean now. Alright, here's the plan. I need to clamp this bridge to this guitar. I need to make sure that it's clamped in exactly the right place, and I think I've come up with the way to do that. See, in guitar shops that I've visited where they were working on it, they've got a special setup for doing just this. I don't have the special clamps, I don't have the special setup, but I have a very active imagination, and I've got some wood clamps that are a little larger than the standard size. The first thing I'm going to do is put the pickup back through here, get it in place, feed the wire back through. I got to get better at keeping this thing on the camera. Now, how to make sure it stays in exactly the right place while I'm clamping it down. Well, here's what I came up with. To make sure that the holes line up, I just get a couple bridge pins. These are extra bridge pins. These aren't the ones that are going to go back on the guitar, so in case I ruin them, it'll be okay. And I'm going to put the bridge pins through the bridge on either end, so that way the holes are lined up. Then I've come up with this little contraption over here. Now, if you can see, I have a 2x4 with a cloth over it between the wood and the guitar. And then I'm going to put another 2x4 on top of it. And then I'm going to clamp the whole thing down. Now, according to the instructions in the glue, I only need to have it in place for half hour. And then I need to let it cure out for 24 hours. So I'm going to apply the glue. I'm going to clamp it down. And in a half hour, I'm going to, maybe I'll let it sit a little longer. But before I go to bed tonight, I'm going to take the clamps off, and I'm going to wait till tomorrow evening. Right now, it's 6:45, so probably around 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Give it plenty of time just to be safe. I'm going to put new strings on it. So hopefully it'll turn out. I'll keep you tuned in.